Before we start any coding, let's have a look at our game board. So as you can see, the game board will have a wall around the edges. And if you look at the coordinate system with X and Y, the game board starts from 0, 0, which is the first brick, all the way to 11, 11, which is the last brick in the corner. However, the actual game board, where the snake can move, starts from position X1, Y1. We start from inside, after the brick's end, and we go all the way to X10 and Y10. So although our game board will be set as two-dimensional array 11 by 11, that accounts for all the bricks as well, the actual game field where we will be playing is 10 by 10. And we also have to realize that each field on our game board is 35 pixels. This could be anything you want, depending on the size of your images. So the images I'm using are 35 pixels, so each field will be 35 pixels as well. So every time we get a coordinate, for example for the snake head or snake body, we have to account for the 35 pixels as well. And each field on our game board can have one element. The first one is an empty field, which is a field that does not have any snake body or a bonus in it. The next one is snake body, and this one will be increasing as our snake keeps moving around the game board and eating the bonuses. And of course the third one is the bonus itself, and those will be randomly generated and placed somewhere on the game board. So the most important thing to remember is that we are going to start from 1 in our arrays. We will have obviously a 0 index as well, but we will disregard it because that will simply correspond with the wall itself. And the same with Y. We don't go all the way to 11, we'll stop at 10 because 11 would be the wall. So with this, I think we are ready to start coding.